Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you some of our dogs. This brown and white one is called Lucy. She's not even a year old. We have another dog, she's not here yet. They're Jack Russells, not like Fox Terriers or anything. Hey Lucy, look at the camera. Out. She's kind of naughty sometimes because sometimes she comes to my room and she gets quite naughty. She has brown and white spots, so the next dog is 5 years old and she's called Meg. She's another Jack Russell, she's the oldest because she's 5. This brown and white dog here is Zero, and she's also quite cute, but she gets into trouble. She takes me with shoes. And Lucy's quite cute.
And the dogs always like to play fighting.
The dogs always like to play fight for their sports thing that they like to do. And Meg always helps them in Lucy's kennel because Lucy's kennel's filled with nice fluffy pillows. But Meg's chewed up all her pillows. It looks like a disgrace. Lucy digs holes everywhere. Look at all the holes. Bye.